Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's section, we will discuss about how to install a Kubernetes on Ubuntu EC2 instance. So for that, we need to require one Ubuntu EC2 instance with T3 medium, and we need to install a Kubernetes and container service in that. So let's see step by step. So first of all, I am going to AWS console, and I am launching the instance with the T3 medium. So hold on. So give name as K8 and select the OS image Ubuntu. Hold on. So instance type must be T3 medium as we discuss. Hold on. So T3 medium. So hold on. And next we need to select a key pair. So I am selecting my key pair and edit network settings, select VPC, my VPC and subnet. So add security group. So hold on. Next, click on launch instance. So click on view all instance. Select the instance. Just we now created now. We have select that instance and we need to connect it. So hold on, it will take a time. So now I am giving the permissions, root level permissions. So after that, we need to update and upgrade the instance. So hold on. So after connecting the instance, we need to update and upgrade the instance. So hold on. So now I am update and upgrading the systems or your EC2 instance. So it will take a little bit time. Please hold on. So after update and updating, we need to install a Kubernetes services in the instance. So please hold on, it will take a little bit time. So Kubernetes is the one of the most important topic. I suggest you learn. So please hold on. It will take a little bit longer time. So hold on, guys. So after updating or upgrading the system, we need to install a Kubernetes services. So first of all, we need to install a container service and we need to enable it. So hold on. So now I am doing the disable this snap. So hold on. The system is still updating. So hold on. Hold on guys, it will take a little longer. So now the system is completely updated and upgraded. Now we are doing and disable this SAP. So hold on. So now we need to install a container service in the Ubuntu EC2 instance. So hold on. So now I am installing the container services. After that, I need to enable it. Hold on. So now we are installing the container services. So hold on. Now we need to update the or we need to enable the container services. So now I am enabling the container services. So hold on. So we are successfully enabled the container services. So now we need to add the Kubernetes repositories. After that, we need to update the instance. So please hold on. So now I am adding the Kubernetes repositories. Hold on. So after adding this, we need to update the instance. So hold on. So now we need to update the instance. So now we are updating the instance. So please hold on. So now we need to install the Kubernetes. So now I am installing the Kubernetes services. Hold on. So we are successfully installed the Kubernetes services. So we need to hold the Kubernetes services now. Hold on. So we need to do enable the IP forwarding. So hold on. So we need to install the Kubernetes cluster now. So hold on. Hold on. So guys, please subscribe our channel. So now we successfully installed the cluster, Kubernetes cluster. So now I am configuring the Kubernetes. So hold on. Hold on, guys. So now we need to install the network plugins. Hold on. Hold on, guys. So next, check the cluster. If the cluster is installed or not, we need to check it. So hold on. So the cluster is successfully installed. So this is the today's class, guys. In upcoming classes, we need to see more about Kubernetes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.